Wait, why is nobody talking about this cleanser? I swear this might be the most underrated skincare product right now. My skin already feels so fresh and smooth. If you want clear and healthy skin like this, you need to try this. Check it out and grab yours now before it sells out.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tekno Jenius channel. In the previous video, I gave a tutorial on how to create an AI influencer character with a consistent face. So in this video, I will give you a tutorial on how to create product affiliate content with AI influencer characters. But before continuing, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tekno Jenius. Don't forget to turn on the bell so you don't miss any other interesting information from us. Okay, the first step of course is that we need ChatGPT's help to create the prompt. So, here I have prepared two images as the main material, namely the AI character image or model and the product image. Just upload it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give me a prompt to produce 3 images. The first image is the first photo promoting the second image is the product. The second image is just a photo of the product taken from above so that the product looks like it has just been unboxed. The third image is me using the face cream. Make sure the results are realistic. Then we wait for the results. Okay, the prompt has been created by ChatGPT friends according to what I want, namely there are 3 parts. Next, we open Gemini, click the Create Image menu, then upload the model and product image. After that, we copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT in the order and click Generate. We are waiting for the results. Well, the results have become friends, and I think the results are quite good where the model is showing the product as if it were promoting it. So I just downloaded the results. Next, we create a second image, namely the product. The method is the same, but because this only displays the product. So into Gemini, we only upload 1 product image and paste the prompt, then we wait for the results. Okay, here are the results, friends. The results are quite good, from a plain image like this to a cool one like this. And it looks like a real photo. If it's good enough, we can just download the results. Next, we create the third image. Now for this one we upload 2 more images, the model and product image. Then copy and paste the prompt again and click Generate. Okay, look friends, the results are very good. Where the model looks like he is trying the product, just download the results. We already have 3 generated images. The first is the model showing the product, the second is the product with a good camera shot, and the third is the model trying the product. Now we will make it into a video. The tool I use currently is Google Flow. We uploaded the 3 images here. We will create ChatGPT to create another prompt. Here I ask ChatGPT, create a video prompt. I want 3 prompts for each image, with 1 prompt for each. The first image is of me promoting a product. Create a clickbait narration in English. Create it in Jason. The second image is of the product. I want the camera to circle the product, as the image is taken from above. The third image is of me trying out the product cream by applying it to my face, then ending with me showing the product to the camera. Create a narration that mentions people to check out. Create it in JSON. Okay, the prompts are done, friends. Let's just copy the first prompt, namely promoting the product. Go back to Flow and click on the first image, then select Add to Prompt. Then, paste the prompt. I just set it like this to save credit. Then we click Generate and wait for the results. And here are the results.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this cleanser? I swear this might be the most underrated skincare product right now. Wait.
If it feels right enough, just download it. Continue to the second video. The method is the same, so we just repeat the steps. Okay, this is the result, friends. It's really good, isn't it? If you are satisfied, just download it. For the third video, the method is the same. We just repeat the previous steps and paste the third prompt. And here are the results for the third video.
My skin already feels so fresh and smooth. If you want clear and healthy skin like this, you need to try this. Check it out and grab yours now before it sells out.
The final step, we just need to combine all the videos that have been made earlier with video editing. Here I use CapCut. And this is the final result.
Wait, why is nobody talking about this cleanser? I swear this might be the most underrated skincare product right now. My skin already feels so fresh and smooth. If you want clear and healthy skin like this, you need to try this. Check it out and grab yours now before it sells out.
How about it, friends? It's quite easy, isn't it? That's our video this time. I hope this video is useful. If you like it, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe. See you again in the next video.